This video is going to be about the cosmological principle, which are the two simplifying assumptions we make when we consider the universe as a whole. So we experience the universe in our own lives on a relatively small scale, which is why we perceive the universe to be made up of unique and different structures, like different planets, stars, galaxies, and even clusters of galaxies could be considered, or what astronomers call structures. We could even think about things as big as superclusters, which are lots and lots of galaxies, and we're still thinking on a relatively small scale when we're thinking about the entire universe. So if we were to really think about the universe on the scale of the universe itself, we'd be thinking of a very, very large scale. And when we're thinking about the universe at this scale, we can think of it as little, like really, really, really big cubes that have 300 parsecs a side. And so if I were to chop the universe up into these really, 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 really big cubes, and I were to look at two of these enormous cubes, the first one I drew much better. Let's try again. If I were to compare these two cubes, made up of cubes cut out of the universe, I would find that the structures they contain aren't really that unique. There's a similar number of planets, there's a similar number of stars, galaxies, clusters, and superclusters. And so, basically, these two cubes, at the scale of 300 parsecs, I couldn't tell the difference between them, no matter where I took them out of my universe. So this brings us to the first cosmological principle, is that the universe is homogeneous, which means that a large slice of the universe will look like any other large slice of the universe. The next cosmological principle is that the universe is isotropic. This means the universe looks the same in all directions. I can look out toward one part of the universe and see pretty much what I would see if I looked out at the universe 300 parsecs from that point. Because we assume the universe is isotropic, this means that there's actually no center and no edge of the universe. We can't stand at the edge of the universe and look out into what's past our universe. There's no edge, no center. Everything looks the same from all directions. And these two assumptions combined are known as the cosmological principle. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you.